Hello, dear pupils. Welcome to our TV classroom. Again, today is our lesson 2. You don't have to put out your notebooks or your pens. Just listen carefully because every material we actually present here will be uploaded or is already uploaded on our YouTube channel. So you're more than welcome to relax and pay full attention. My name is Tanja Radošević and I'm your teacher today, and my dear colleague Marija Davidović is going to help me today.
Hello guys, I hope you're doing fine.
Today we're doing some revision of our last class and we're going to have some fun as well.
Fun?
Yes.
I'm looking forward to it. English is always fun.
Yes, all the time. So, hello. First, let's revise our last lesson. Sam, what did we talk about last time?
Well, I think we talked about something called verbs.
Yes, and?
Well, verbs are words that tell us what someone is doing or does, or... you mean what someone did or was doing or what happened?
Yeah, what happened.
Or what was happening.
Yes.
Okay, now I remember. We talk about past tenses.
Prošla vremena. So, yes, I told you that my mom was what? Working from home.
Yes, that's right. Was working.
And I? Do you remember what I told you?
Yes, what they're doing right now.
Yes. What was that?
I was watching my lessons on TV, yes.
I also mentioned that I did what?
You helped your mom.
I helped my mom prepare
Yes.
pizza for dinner because she was really busy all the day. And I also said that, what?
This is easy. That you played video games after the classes.
Of course. So you do remember. I'm glad you do.
Do you remember, guys? Well, if you don't, you can revise now. It's okay.
So, see, here is it, all done.
Oh, sure. And now I'm Sam, you know. I told you that something with my hands. What's that? That's now like the most important thing.
The most important thing.
Yes, yes.
You were washing your hands, right?
Yes, I was washing my hands, yes. More than ever before. And you remember back then we still could go outside, you know.
Yes.
Stay
a little bit longer.
A little bit longer than nowadays. So I was wearing a mask when I was outside. And I also told you what?
Your friends for half an hour.
What?
And that we, what?
What? Tell me.
Maybe I don't remember.
Well, I met my friends.
You met your friends, right. It seems so long ago because we don't meet our friends in person anymore.
And we shouldn't.
We shouldn't, right.
But we will again.
Yes, of course.
We definitely will. Okay?
So you met your friends for half an hour and?
Then we're talking about last week.
Yes, we're talking about last week.
It seems like so long ago. We didn't go to school last week.
No, we didn't. So if you don't remember, as I forgot something, here you have all the answers. So this is exactly what Sam told us about her last week.
Sam here today said, I met my friends.
Yeah.
And here, just a slide before, it was, I saw my friends. It's all the same. The point is what matters. Okay?
Sure.
Adam, please tell us, when do we say my mom was working from home?
We say that when we want to say that some longer action was happening in the past. So it lasted.
Can you make a question?
Sure. So if positive sentence is my mom was working from home, then a question would be, Was my mom working from home? So that's the question.
So basically you just change places of the
You
words.
just change places, yes?
That's so simple. English is simple and fun, okay? And please make a negative sentence.
Well, with negative sentence, you just take positive sentence and put not on auxiliary verb, that helping verb.
Oh, pomoćni glagol.
Yes,
Nesporedni,
exactly.
pomoćni.
Pomoćni.
Pošto imamo i glavni, jel tako?
Ali nije suprotno glavnog sporedni.
Ne, ovaj nikako nije sporedni. On je pomoćni, ali od velike pomoći. Bez njega ne možemo.
On nam pomaže da napravimo pitanja. Na primjer, stavimo ga ispred subjekta.
I u svim vremenima glagolskim u engleskom jeziku, jel tako? Ne postoji vreme bez pomoćnog glagola u upitnom i odričnom obliku u engleskom jeziku.
A što nam pomaže pomoćni glagol u negativnim rečenicama?
Pa zato što samo na njega dodamo čarobnu reč za negaciju. Ima 3 slova, počinje slovom N.
Not?
Good girl, yes, that's it. Or should I say good boy?
Yes,
Good
I'm
work.
a boy today.
Yes, okay. So what is the rule here? Please repeat.
Yes, the rule is, as we already said, really simple. So put was or were, which is the past form of auxiliary verb, helping verb to be.
Another little helping word.
Another little helping verb. Plus, you say main verb, which is in infinitive, and you add ing. So, my mom was or were, was, because it's she. Working, because work is the main verb, and you add ing, working. So, my mom was working. That's it, really simple.
Okay, but Adam, were you doing anything interesting like yesterday?
Of course I was.
Can I guess?
Yes.
Were you playing games all day?
Yes. Sorry, we did not have much homework yesterday, so I was playing games.
After all, you're my best friend. I know you very well, okay?
Yes.
And please now, just for the sake of revision, say it. What about questions?
The rule is quite similar. It's almost the same. Exactly what we said about positive sentences rules. Now just put was or were auxiliary verb in front of the subject.
Subject. Can I do my thing again, please?
Yes, do that.
Okay, I am an English teacher, so I am the subject in this sentence. Ja sam subjekat. Subjekat, vršilac radnje, ono što se dešava. Ali vi ste osmaci, nećemo sada o subjektu. Nema potrebe, zar ne?
Apsolutno ne.
Okay. And negatives?
In negatives, we just put not on our little helping verb, which is called verb auxiliary, and you get my mom was not, or short form, wasn't, working from home. So it's quite easy. Sam, would you please explain the main use of past simple tense?
Of course. I'll
Please
be glad to. So, when you want to say that an action started and finished in the past, you use this tense. So you say, like I saw a concert yesterday, or I made spaghetti for dinner 2 days ago, or like he visited me 2 weeks ago. Just be careful not to say before 2 weeks. That's the mistake you sometimes make. Or I didn't have anything to do last Thursday, or whatever. So, here you can see some other, I mean, not here, but on YouTube channel you will see some more examples. The point here is, if you have a timeline, and we are in the past now, this blue cross represents the finished past action. That's it. It happened. It finished. It did.
Gone. So,
gone, yes.
And we know exactly when?
Yes.
Or usually we know?
Well, if we talk about something we did or something that happened in the past, if we mention that for the first time, we must say when. in order to use this tense. Dakle, ako pričamo o prošloj radnji, pominjemo prvi put, sagovornici ne znaju kada se ta radnja desila, jednostavno moramo da kažemo čarobno kada, when. Međutim, ako smo sad recimo, ne znam, Tanja i ja prošlog meseca bile na žurci i sad pričamo, recimo juče o toj žurci, ne moramo da kažemo kada, jer obe znamo kada je žurka bila.
A nekad je dovoljno da kažemo kad smo bile na žurci, što je već samim tim određeno.
Tako. Ali recimo, ako ja hoću da kažem gde sam rođena, ja kažem I was born in Kikinda. Tu ne moram ništa da kažem, pa podrazumeva da sam se rodila samo jednom.
I nikad više?
Pa dobro, dok nauka ne napreduje, aj sad, dobro.
Okay.
So Adam, you said you helped your mom prepare pizza for dinner, right?
Yes, I helped my mom.
What a good boy.
Yeah, of course.
Can you make a question in negative form here?
Sure. For questions and negatives in past simple, we don't see that auxiliary verb. We don't see it in I helped my mom. But we have to remember it. So it's did. And it's past simple of do. So, did I help my mom? Is the question. But you know that because you've learned that in 5th grade. So, I didn't help my mom. So, on did, you put not on auxiliary verb. And then you have a negative. I did not or didn't help my mom.
So, for questions, we use did.
Yes, and for negatives, did not or didn't.
Great.
So, simple tense, past simple tense, is used when we want to talk about actions that were happening one after another. And it's quite simple. First thing happened, then second thing happened, then third thing happened. For example, I walked into my house. What first?
I
washed my hands.
Sorry, I lost, like I was thinking about making dinner today, so
yes,
sorry.
And then I had a shower, and then I had dinner. Okay. So first I walked into the house, then I washed my hands, then I ate or had shower. So one thing after another.
One question here.
Yes?
Did you take off your clothes when you washed your hands?
Okay, so yes.
Yes, you did?
Yes, of course.
Did you wash your hands again?
I did.
Okay. Did you put your clothes outside?
Yeah, I did, and I put some alcohol on my clothes and put it on the balcony.
Okay, I got it. Okay.
So another use of simple past simple tense is when a long action is going on and you say something that was going on for 2 years or all day, so we waited for them all day. Or when you stop something or someone while they were doing something else, which was longer.
Yes.
So, for example, I was talking on the phone when she called. So she called, that's something that interrupted me, stopped what I was doing, and I was talking on the phone, which is a longer action. So basic uses, very simple, right?
Yes.
That's what it's called simple.
But I know something else, because I'm a smart girl.
Oh, you always have
It's
been.
not like you have to use the past continuous here. I mean, was, were, main verb plus ing, but it's more natural. And it's called something making an atmosphere. So, instead of saying, well, my favorite example, I woke up this morning, the day outside was beautiful, the birds sang, the sun shone. How does this sound to you?
Unnatural.
Unnatural.
Doesn't make sense.
Yes. It doesn't seem like a very nice day, right?
No.
Okay, so I should say, I woke up this morning, the day was beautiful, the sun was shining, the birds were singing, And somehow you are in my morning, right?
Yes, and it just goes on and on.
Yes.
And it's like a lovely place to be.
Okay, let's use today. When you woke up this morning,
It was
what was
snowing.
happening? It was snowing. That's
Yes.
right.
So it was really strange. And
Yes.
it's March.
So, we use the was were, the main verb plus ing, when we talk about parallel action. You know mathematics, parallel, ne? Meaning they lasted for the same, lasted during the same period of time. And we use was were plus main verb plus ing when we have that lasting action. And this blue cross,
It's past simple.
Yes.
And it's something that stopped me.
for something that just happened. It could have stopped me or not, but it doesn't matter. It happened and this was happening. That's the difference. So, znači radnja se dešavala ili se ponavljala, was verb plus ing, main verb plus ing. Radnja se desila, ili su se više radnje desilo jedno za drugom, tada koristimo past simple. Također past simple koristimo samo da bi dali osnovnu informaciju o nečemu što smo radili, što je neko radili, o nečemu što se desilo u prošlosti. A naravno, nemojte zaboraviti, bitno je when. For example, yesterday I watched a good movie. Or should I say film?
Film?
Okay, can I say both?
Yes, you can.
Thank you. So, yesterday I watched a good movie. Or, yesterday I was watching a good movie for 2 hours. So there is the difference.
Yes.
Juče sam odgledala film, juče sam gledala film.
Yes.
Svršeni i nesvršeni glagoli u srpskom jeziku. Okay, can we move on?
Yes, please.
So, do you know how is that, I know that you know now, do you know how is that tense we were just talking about called?
You just explained. It's past continuous tense.
And is that the one also known as the past progressive tense?
Yes, it is also another way to call it. It's past progressive tense.
Yes, and what about this another tense?
You mean helped, saw, wrote?
Yes, that one.
It's past simple tense.
Okay, can
So-
we have some fun now, please?
Yes. We'll learn about something new. And it is for pupils who want to know more, who are interested in English, and who love it, right?
Maybe you didn't know you were interested in this. Možda i ne znate da vas ovo zanima.
But it is. It's the difference between American and British English.
And we all know that you mostly watch and listen to American music and movies, okay?
And you learn British English in school, so it might be confusing.
Let's unconfuse it.
Let's.
Unconfuse
You
it,
start
okay?
first.
Yes. So Adam, what are the main differences between British and American English?
Sometimes it's just spelling.
Misliš kako se pišu reči? Ok?
Ponekad se samo reči isto govore, isto i akcentuju, ali se samo drugačije pišu. Po neko slovo.
Ok.
Sometimes they have completely different words.
You
Na
mean-
primjer, u Britaniji kažu petrol, a u Americi kažu gasoline. Kaži?
I wanted to say gasoline, but you didn't let me. Okay.
Of course, you'll say. And sometimes it is just even grammar. This is not really the case a lot, but sometimes even grammar, yes. So, typically, American words end in OR, while the same words end in OUR in British English. These words are color, humor, flavor.
So, if you use Word, computer software, Microsoft software, on your computer, you have to adjust spelling check, right?
Yes.
Okay, because if you type in British English, if you write the word color, C-O-C...
US version, American
C-O-L-O-U-R.
version. Yes.
Your computer will tell you that you spelled it wrongly, right?
Right.
Okay, that's it.
That same goes for I-Z-E, or as American would say, I-Z-E, for words like recognize, patronize, because in Britain they're spelled with I-S-E.
Oh.
Here are some other examples.
Can you just say the words?
Yes.
Okay.
Dreamed, dreamt, learned, learnt.
I want to be
burned,
an American
burnt.
here. Help.
Please do.
Let me. Dreamed,
Dreamt,
learned,
learnt,
burned,
burnt,
bank,
bank,
check,
check,
checker,
checker,
analyze,
analyze,
criticize,
criticize,
recognize,
recognize,
enrollment,
enrollment,
fulfill.
fulfill.
Not much difference here.
No.
Let's switch to another one.
There are many others.
Yes.
So please start reading these.
Okay, I would like us to concentrate on the middle column.
That's cool.
That's the common mistake you make. Okay,
Yes.
guys, you can choose between American or British English. It's okay, but please don't mix them.
Yes.
Dakle, slobodno možete da izaberete britanski ili američki izgovor, odnosno spelling, ali nemojte ih mešati. So, in British English, for example, words like center, meter, liter are spelled, Tanja, how?
With R-E.
At the end. But in American English, they are spelled with ER, ER na kraju, što više liči na naš jezik.
Yes.
Just be careful. That's all. But, of course, if you mix both spellings and pronunciation, izgovor, well, it's not that important. Just communicate. That's the most important.
Yes. Always communicate. People will understand.
Yes.
So here are other spelling differences. So these are quite already mentioned, but for example, look at the liter, liter.
Okay.
Millimeter, millimeter.
Okay, let's talk
and
about.
so on and so on.
Okay, let's talk about some things that some words that are completely different. Okay, you are British. Say lift.
Lift,
Elevator. Say stan.
flat,
Apartment. Say zgrada stambena.
apartment building.
A block of flats.
Oh, thank you. That is different.
Apartment building.
For example, if I say surname, what do you say?
Last name. It's
If I
simpler.
say film, what do you-
Movie.
cinema,
Movie theater.
car park,
Parking lot.
good, and fridge. If I say fridge, what do you say? The longer one.
Refrigerator.
Ah, refrigerator. Oh.
Well, I would always say fridge.
And flatmate.
Roommate.
Sure.
Okay.
Now we'll just read because these words are written all the same, completely the same, but are read differently. So I'll start with British version, right?
Yes.
Okay. Answer,
Answer.
apricot,
Apricot.
artesian,
Artesian.
asphalt,
Asphalt.
banana,
Banana.
bitumen,
Bitumen.
booth,
We have little chemistry here. Come on.
booth,
Booth.
cadre,
Cadre.
chauffeur.
Chauffeur.
Okay, this really sounded different. There's some others, but you can see it on our video on our YouTube channel. And guys, here is homework, but it's not obligatory. Dakle, ne morate da uradite ovo. Ukoliko vas zanima i ukoliko vam je ova lekcija bila interesantna, imate 13 rečenica na sljedeća 2 slajda i to ćete da vidite na našem kanalu. I svaka rečenica je napisana 2 puta. Jedno je britanska verzija, a druga rečenica je pod svakim brojem američka verzija. Dakle, vi treba da napišete koja verzija je američka, a koja je britanska. Ako nema primjera u ovim prethodnim slajdovima, potražite ih na internetu.
Misliš da pitaju Google-a?
Da pitaju Google-a.
A, dobro, okej.
Tako da, to je ovih 13 rečenica. Reči koje su, one koje su drugačije i zanimljive su zapravo podvučene, da znate. And some final thoughts.
Jenny feels sick. She ate too much.
Jenny feels ill. She's eaten too much.
I can't find my keys. Did you see them anywhere?
I can't find my keys. Have you seen them anywhere?
Oh, you.
Oh, I'd like to have a bath.
I'd like to take a bath.
I promised to write to her every day.
I promise to write her every day.
So, there are differences in grammar too. So, our dear TV pupils, have you had fun today? And we hope we really made your English more interesting. There's a clue. What are we going to talk about next time? And try to find it. Goodbye for now.
Take care of yourselves.
Wash your hands.
Stay healthy.
Listen to your parents.
And stay tuned.
Now, grab your phones and take a picture on your TV screens of this, because this is our channel and you'll find all the materials right here. Bye for now.
Bye-bye, guys. Stay healthy.
Stay healthy.